Hi, welcome back to our channel. Have you ever found yourself in a sticky situation with Fevi Kuick or super glue on your hands? Don't worry, we have got you back. In today's video, we are going to show you 6 easy and effective ways to remove super glue or Fevi Kuick from your skin. Let's jump right in. Starting off with a kitchen essential, vegetable oil. Grab a cloth or paper towel and apply some vegetable oil, olive oil, coconut oil or even avocado oil onto it. Gently rub the affected area in a circular motion. You will notice the super glue starting to soften within a couple of minutes. It will peel off easily, leaving your hands glue-free. Next up, we have petroleum jelly, which works wonders in loosening up that stubborn super glue. Dip a cloth into some petroleum jelly and massage it onto the glue-covered skin. Keep rubbing until the glue starts to flake off. Once you're done, just wash off the excess jelly from your hands. Lemon juice comes to the rescue for dried glue. Wet a cloth with lemon juice or soak your fingers in a lemon juice bath for around 10 minutes. This will help loosen up the glue. Then take a soft toothbrush, dip it in lemon juice and gently scrub the remaining glue away. Your skin will thank you. If you are dealing with tougher super glue, acetone nail polish remover is your go-to solution. Soak a cloth or paper towel with acetone and gently press it onto the glue for about a minute. You can also give it a gentle rub to help break down the glue. Remember, acetone can be drying, so moisturize your hands after use. Got some stubborn dried glue? Try using a Pom Stone. Start by soaking your skin in warm water for 10 minutes to soften the glue. Then gently rub the Pom Stone in a circular motion over the glue-covered area. The abrasive surface will catch the residue, leaving your skin smooth and glue-free. Last but not least, we have the trusty coarse salt method. Wet your skin and sprinkle some coarse salt over the glue. Gently rub the salt in to break apart the super glue. Be gentle as pressing too hard might harm your skin. Rinse your skin with warm water afterward to remove any remaining salt and glue. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Thanks for watching and we will catch you in the next one.